How to care for a snake plant. Sansevieria snake plants, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, are hardy low-maintenance house plants that are perfect for beginners. Here's how to care for them. 1. Light requirements. Ideal light snake plants thrive in indirect sunlight, but can tolerate low light conditions. Avoid direct intense sunlight for prolonged periods, as it can scorch the leaves. 2. Watering frequency. Water sparingly. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering this is the most common cause of problems. Snake plants are drought tolerant and prefer to be underwatered rather than overwater. Winter care. Reduce watering during the winter months, when the plant's growth slows down. 3. Soil type. Use well-draining soil, such as a cactus or succulent mix. Drainage. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the roots. For temperature and humidity. Temperature. Snake plants prefer temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. They can tolerate lower temperatures, but not frost. Humidity. They are adaptable to most humidity levels, making them ideal for indoor environments. 5. Fertilizing frequency. Fertilize once or twice a year, during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced diluted houseplant fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing. Too much fertilizer can harm the plant. 6. Pruning and cleaning. Pruning. Remove any dead or damaged leaves by cutting them off at the base. Cleaning. Wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and keep them looking vibrant. 7. Repotting. When repot every 2 to 3 years, or when the plant becomes root-bound. Pot size. Choose a pot that is slightly larger than the current one to give the roots room to grow. Benefits of snake plants. Air purification. Snake plants are known for their ability to filter indoor air. They can remove toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and toluene. Oxygen production. Unlike most plants, snake plants release oxygen at night, making them an excellent choice for bedrooms to improve air quality while you sleep. Low maintenance. Snake plants are incredibly resilient and can thrive with minimal care, making them perfect for busy individuals or those new to plant care. Aesthetic appeal. With their striking, upright leaves and variegated patterns, snake plants add a touch of elegance and modernity to any indoor space. Drought tolerance. Their ability to store water in their leaves makes them highly drought tolerant, reducing the need for frequent watering. Pet-friendly with caution. While snake plants are generally safe, they can be mildly toxic if ingested by pets. Keep them out of reach of curious cats and dogs. Secrets to a thriving indoor snake plant. Neglect is key. Snake plants thrive on neglect. Overwatering and over-fertilizing are the most common mistakes. Less is more when it comes to their care. Right pot size. Avoid planting in a pot that is too large. Snake plants prefer to be slightly root-bound, which encourages healthy growth. Rotate the plant. Rotate the plant occasionally to ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning toward the light source. Monitor for pests. while snake plants are generally pest-resistant. Keep an eye out for common houseplant pests, like spider mites and mealybugs. Treat any infestations promptly. Use a humidity tray optional. If your home is very dry, placing the pot on a humidity tray with water and pebbles can help maintain a slightly more humid environment around the plant. By following these care tips and understanding the benefits, you can enjoy a thriving snake plant that not only enhances your indoor space, but also contributes to a healthier living environment.